Welcome back. In this module, we'll walk through how to turn your visitors into leads and customers in 4 steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the 6 steps covering content creation, promoting content, retargeting, and using social ads. For the first step, you need content to build engagement, but researching what kind of content to use can sometimes be, time consuming. You can accelerate this process by finding keywords and topics that are searched by your target audience and then design content around it. This works because your audience is actively searching for it. Tools such as IFTT and BuzzSum will assist you in your research. You can also outsource the creation of content to online freelancers. Sites such as Upwork.com and Fiverr.com have many freelance content writers, and hiring them is relatively affordable when you factor in the amount of potential leads that you're generating as a result of great content. As a business owner, of course, you want to be focused on money-generating activities like sales. In the second step, you can further leverage your best content created by advertising it on social media. This will help you reach out to a wider target audience. Content marketing is important because there are hundreds of content published on a daily basis, and that's a lot of white noise. It's easy for one piece of content to be lost in all that clutter. Here are 3 approaches to amplify your content. First, you can reach out to people with massive influence. Engage with them and have them advertise your content. Leverage off their status and influence and market to their audience. This works best if their audience is, of course, similar to yours. Second, you can remarket your content by retargeting it through advertising. Third is to get involved in an online community that has your target audience. In there, you build a reputation and contribute to the community. That way you build credibility and trust among the members of the community, which then makes it easier when you want to promote or make an offer to them. Coming back to turning visitors into leads and customers, the third step is remarketing to an audience. This is done by tagging site visitors with a browser cookie. A remarketed audience is an audience which you'd want to re-engage with again and again because there's potential conversion to sales. You can create remarketed audiences based on user behavior on your site. You then use these audiences as the base for your remarketing campaign in your Facebook ad account. When a visitor visits your website after clicking on a Facebook advert, sometimes they may not complete the full sales process. They might leave out putting in their contact details or abandon carts at checkout or even add products to the cart but not finish processing it. There are many reasons for them not to purchase. It could be no time, no money, or the product is not for them. So the best way to remarket to them is by utilizing your Facebook pixel to create a custom audience from your site. With Facebook pixel, you can bring your site visitors back to the purchasing stage or search for new visitors that share similar traits to your customers. In the fourth step, you apply behavioral and demographic filters to the audience. Here's where you use the demographic and segmentation tools from Facebook. Elements that you need to analyze, such as Facebook users' recent purchasing behavior, is an effective approach in finding the right audience. Purchasing behavior such as buyer profiles, clothing, food and drink, health and beauty, and more are all covered by Facebook as well. Facebook ads also have the option to narrow down to live events. You can also utilize Facebook ads for layer targeting on top of one another, which helps you to refine your audience further.